Are you facing the installation paused issues while installing the new update on your Apple Watch from your iPhone? This usually happens due to low battery, poor internet connections, or syncing problems. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check storage. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap on General, check available space. If needed, delete some apps or media. Solution 2. Reset sync data. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, now tap on General, then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset, now simply tap on Reset sync data. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open the settings on your iPhone. Tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's how you can solve the installation paused issue on your Apple Watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.